Hello guys, welcome to Masala Chai and I'm Shiv here. I have a very interesting topic for you all today. I hope that you have already subscribed our channel and following us on Instagram and Facebook. If not, please do subscribe our channel right away because we have many interesting and informative videos for you every day. When I started photography, I knew nothing about photography. In my beginning days, I had many questions about cameras to buy, how to start photography, all the things to consider before taking a decision of starting photography. But now we have a team of about 20 plus professionals with the brand name Fomito, covering about 500 plus weddings in our 5 years of journey. If you want to know more about us, please do visit our website www.fomito.com. I'm sure that you're gonna have us in your next events. Will you? Alright, I want to do this video as a basic level. If you go back to YouTube or Google how to start photography, there are many videos saying that how to start photography, the beginner tips for photographers, amateur photographers, like many things. But I observed one thing, most of them have not specifically told the things one must consider before they take a decision of starting photography, or maybe before they plan of buying a camera. So here with this video, I'm trying to illustrate or maybe give you a few hints or tips, the things one must consider before buying a camera or starting a photography. I have a disclaimer in this video. I'm not going in depth of anything here. I'm not trying to explain you any of the photography terminologies, the technical aspects of it, but I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible so that everybody of any age limit can understand this and start photography, because photography doesn't has an age limit. So when you think of starting photography, maybe that may be just for the hobby sake, just to pass the time, or maybe you want to take it as a profession. Photography is an art, photographer is an artist. Surely one cannot become an artist overnight. I'm sure once you start doing photography, you will learn many things. According to me, everybody in this world are photographers. Is there anyone who has never clicked an image, whether it is in a phone or maybe in a camera? All of us would have clicked images, right? So it is very easy to become a photographer, or maybe take it as a hobby, or to become a professional photographer. Once you decide whether to become a wedding photographer or to start clicking lifestyle images. So what I'm trying to say is, start using the camera, what is available in your phone. Do a lot of experiments. Once you feel that yes, you have done enough experiments with your camera, then start thinking of buying a camera. So again, when someone asks me which camera to buy, the question is very contradictory. It's like someone asking me which mobile is best to buy. It's all led to one's discretion and the opinion of an user. If I'm using a phone, a Sony or a OnePlus or any phone, if I have found it best, maybe I would suggest you go with this mobile because it is best. So for the beginners, just to help them, I have few cameras listed below in this video wherein you can buy best cameras for the beginners. Almost all the cameras will have the similarities in them, the options, the features will be same. If you try searching in the market, there are brands like Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, Olympus and many cameras. It's all about one's comfortability and their affordability of buying a camera. Basically, the cameras are divided into two types. One is point and shoot and another is DSLR. Before this, back in ages, we had roll cameras. If you remember having roll included in the camera, then clicking about 30-36 images. Yes, now that technology has been obsolete since after introduction of digital cameras. There are point and shoot digital cameras, DSLRs. Point and shoot cameras will not have a facility to change the lenses, but DSLRs do have. We shall discuss more about the best cameras or maybe the lenses in next videos, because that comes when you plan of becoming a photographer in a particular segment. Maybe in that cases the lenses would matter. So now, as we are touching base of the camera or maybe the basics of photography, let's not bother about it. We shall discuss further about how to become professional, or I will share more knowledge about how did I become a professional photographer, how did I get my first client. Other things we'll discuss further in our next videos, but for now, start clicking images with your cameras in the mobile or maybe with the basic cameras, and share your experiences, and also do let me know if you have any questions about it, so that I can help you accordingly. Shall we meet in our next video? Till then, keep supporting us, keep watching videos on Masala Chai. Bye bye.